iPhone X, Apple's revolutionary smartphone. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the exclusive reviews in the world of smartphone. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your phone purchases today. The iPhone features a 5.8-inch Super Retina OLED display. The display supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, offering vibrant colors and high contrast. It also includes features like True Tone, which adjusts the display's color temperature based on ambient lighting. Under the hood, the iPhone X is powered by Apple's A11 Bionic chip, a true powerhouse. This 6-core processor is designed to handle demanding tasks effortlessly, ensuring smooth performance and lag-free multitasking. Whether you are browsing the web, playing graphic-intensive games, or editing videos, the iPhone X can handle it all with ease. The iPhone X features an impressive dual-camera system. The 12-megapixel telephoto and wide-angle lenses work together to capture stunning photos and videos. With optical image stabilization, you can say goodbye to blurry shots even in low-light conditions. The optical image stabilization technology compensates for hand movement and vibrations, resulting in sharper photos and smoother videos. It's particularly beneficial in low-light situations where longer exposure times are necessary. The camera also supports portrait mode, allowing you to take professional-looking photos with depth of field effects. Unlocking your iPhone X has never been easier or more secure, thanks to the Face ID. This advanced facial recognition technology scans your face and uses depth sensing technology to unlock your phone with just a glance. It's fast, reliable, and significantly enhances the security of your device. The iPhone X is equipped with a reliable and a long-lasting battery that ensures you stay connected throughout the day. It features a built-in lithium-ion battery with a capacity of approximately 2716 mAh. It can provide up to 21 hours of talk time on a single charge, allowing you to extend conversations. For internet use, you can expect up to 12 hours of browsing on Wi-Fi or up to 13 hours of browsing on cellular data. Video playback can last up to 13 hours, while audio playback can go on for approximately 60 hours. The iPhone X also supports wireless charging, making it convenient to power up your device without the need for cables. With its glass back, the iPhone X is compatible with QI wireless chargers, enabling you to simply place your phone on a charging pad and watch the battery replenish. In terms of software, the iPhone X runs on iOS, Apple's intuitive and user-friendly operating system. iOS offers a seamless and secure experience with regular updates and a vast selection of apps available on the App Store. With its cutting-edge design, powerful performance, advanced camera system, and innovative features like Face ID and augmented reality, the iPhone X truly sets a new standard for smartphones. And that concludes our today's video. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.